Hello, welcome to the video. Today we're going to learn how to make these QR codes. They have been a little bit outdated because they were ugly and they were kind of not really accessible. But now with iPhone, I don't know what this came out with COVID or what, but when you scan it just on your camera, something comes up on the top and you can click on Safari. So that's way easier. And there's other companies and websites that are making them easier to create for free, and they're actually making them nicer. There's a lot of different websites that you can use. You can just look up QR code generator free or whatever. The one that I've kind of landed on is called Flowcode. It's like a new cool one. They're trying to do something more about QR codes. They give you stats on it, like how many clicks you get. They give you pages and stores and everything you need. But there's a pro version, a free version. You don't need the pro version. I tried the free month trial. You don't need the pro version. The free version does more than you need. So to do that, where is it? Okay, here, create a flow code. What do you want to do? Website, YouTube, any link, anything you want to link, you can do there. And then you can customize your colors, and you can do, let's say, orange or whatever, orange and blue. Maybe we'll do this blue instead of that blue. And then it can give you some templates or whatever, like there's lots of different things that, there you go, it's loading. So a gradient, wow, look at that. It gives you tons of different versions, cool versions, there's it's cooler than regular QR codes. And then you can pick the type of like shape of QR code that you want. Where was that? Here, you can pick like the kind of things you want on it, whether you want it to be triangles or stars or hearts or whatever. And then once you're done doing that, whether you use a template or not, you can save and download, create and download, okay? And once you do that, you will see, okay, it looks like, this is what mine looks like. So there's a peach in the middle, and yeah, pretty much that's everything. It's great. I wanted to make it a little bit better, more personalized. So this is what it looked like before, and then this is what it looks like now. Is that right? Yeah, it's so subtle. There's not huge details. Obviously, first of all, I got rid of that ugly border on the sides, and I tried adding one. In Photoshop, I think it's hard. I don't know if there's a better way to draw like lines in Photoshop. So I did those by hand. I think when it's on the business card or whatever, pretty small, you won't be able to tell. But if anyone knows how to draw lines better in Photoshop, let me know. And then for this text here, I got rid of their text because I'm giving them enough credit by having their flow code thing there, or redirecting the flow code first. I want people to know exactly where they're going and not be distracted by anything. So I put my own website there. Sorry, flow code. And I tried to get rid of this flow code here part here, but when I scanned it a couple times, it like took longer or like didn't work. So I think that's part of the QR code. So I left that there. And then the last thing I did was changing some of the pluses into sparkles, because it's like kind of similar, but like looks a little bit better, and you can barely even tell. So I just took the other ones out and added my own sparkles in, and the QR code seems to work fine for that. But yeah, that's everything. That's how you create your own QR code. It's really easy, and QR codes are kind of coming back. I think it seems with COVID they've been brought back a little bit with the menus and everything like that. By the way, this hat still has a tag on it and everything. It's a new hat. It's a little bit tall. I'm not sure if I want to keep it or not, so I'm just trying it for a little bit. Let me know if you like it or not, whether I should return it or not. I don't keep my stickers on my hats, but I'm just trying it out, Okay, but yeah, that's how you create a QR code. Flow code is great. You don't need to do the paid version. You can put these on business cards, slide decks, flyers, whatever you want. Anything that people will be able to scan with their phone. Anything that will make it easier for them to find your website or whatever they're trying to do, whatever you're leading them to. Whether it's your website, you can send texts with this. You can send to the YouTubes or anything you want. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to see my main channel, check out Mike 5000 on YouTube, and I hope this helps you.